Account ledger's creation, direct method. Accounts ledger is the primary entity through which similar transactions are collated. Ledger accounts shows all the individual transactions of similar nature and the total and balance of the ledger account. For example, ledger account of RAM shows all transactions related to RAM, transaction totals, that is total debit, total credit, and balance, that is net of total debit and total credit. The ledger balances are carried in trial balance and reflected in financial statements like profit and loss statement and balance sheet. At Accounts Info menu, select Ledgers to get Accounts Ledger menu. At Accounts Ledger menu, select Create under Single Ledger to get Accounts Ledger creation screen. Ledger account name. At name, enter the unique name of the ledger. This name will be displayed printed in all internal records like ledger, trial balance, etc. and will be available in selection list of ledger. Parent group. At under, select the parent group of the ledger from list of groups. Ledger opening balance. At opening balance, enter the figure of opening balance. The default balance type debit, DR for debit or CR for credit as per parent group selected appears, which you may change according to the nature of opening balance. Total of opening balances. The total of opening balances of all ledger accounts so far entered and the difference between debit and credit totals are shown at the top during ledger account entry. Since debit and credit totals of all ledger accounts should be equal, so any difference shown during the entry indicates that all ledger accounts have not yet been entered or there is mistake in opening balance entry. When you start accounts from the beginning of financial year, the opening balance of nominal ledger, that is ledger accounts appearing in profit and loss account, may be 0. If the ledger account opening balances are not readily available during ledger account master entry, you may leave 0 at opening balance during entry. Later on, you may enter ledger opening balance through ledger alter option. Account group entry indirect method. During account group or ledger account creation, if you find that the parent group is not existing, press Alt plus C at under field to get account group creation secondary screen similar to account group entry screen. Create the parent account group and select the parent group at under field in the current group entry or at ledger entry as usual without exiting the current group or ledger entry screen.